Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Honda Rebel 500. This lightweight cruiser, twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled, just arrived with only 543 miles on the odometer. Come on by and check it out. Really cool matte gray finish, super low miles. Make your lightweight cruiser dreams come true for this beautiful Rebel 500, only $64.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah, this one's got ABS brakes too. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.